Hello, I'm Xavi. I'm a backend engineer. I'm currently working at TravelPerk and I've been a Python developer for the last 15 to 20 years. I think it's one of the best IDEs for Python development. One of the things I love most is like testing. Testing in PyCharm, it's super good. Also, Docker integration, when I started using it, was one of the first tools that had it. So for me, it's been a pleasure to use it because it's like you can run all your code inside Docker, you can run all your tests, it's super integrated. So for me, like the whole integration with the Python ecosystem, it's what I really like. When you have to refactor a big piece of code, it has a good refactoring system. So the way it finds references not only in the code but also inside the comments, also in different parts, like all parts that maybe are not used. It helps you also find dead code. That's something that is really, really cool when you are developing. So all this kind of stuff make me like choose PyCharm over other tooling, like, and the deep integration with Python. That's basically what I love.